Storm chasing on October 15th, 2021. We have a 5% tornado in northwest PA. Very summer-like setup. A lot of instability for this time of the year. Haze, as you can see. We already have one supercell on the warm front, first of the day, which we're going west-northwest to intercept, and we might have multiple storms today. Really unusual setup for mid-October, but looking promising already.
Yeah, the supercell initiated at like freaking 11 a.m. That doesn't happen in,
you can
the
see
Northeast.
It's 12:20. It's already like mid to upper 70s out. I mean, this is very humid.
77 degrees.
And we're in the mountains, don't forget.
Actually stop.
We have elevation.
Actually stop. I mean, look at the trees.
Yeah.
It is fall.
Can we see the top of that storm?
I can't.
That might be the top.
Oh, that anvil?
Yeah.
That might be.
I think that's the top of it.
Do you want?
So, cells going up on top of us, but this is not what we're chasing.
Oh, it only gets better from here.
Well, it's raining pretty hard for like a speck of reflectivity.
No, it's actually yellow in reflectivity. What is happening? Hello?
Can we put this up?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, it's clear skies above us.
This has got some wild feeling to it.
What, the foliage?
Yeah,
the sun?
The foliage, and I have the air running in the car because it's like 78 degrees outside.
In October at noon.
It has a hook.
Can confirm the supercell is a hook.
Oh, dude, I'm not kidding.
It.
I'm not kidding. They're probably gonna put a tornado warning on it. They're not because of the hook. I'm looking at velocities. It's not a couplet, but there are opposite velocities very close to each other.
Yeah.
And if it keeps progressing next 5 to 10 minutes, if it keeps strengthening, which I think it's going to because it's been making a hard right turn, it very likely is going to get a tornado warning in 10 minutes if it keeps strengthening.
So is that all like in the anvil? All that thunder?
Yeah, this is the fourth flank. My goodness.
He's going fast.
We're both going fast.
Yeah,
It's just a small road.
Mutual going fast.
Oh my gosh, it's such a small
That
road.
is definitely going in my chase video.
Oh yeah, I didn't take any videos, but we just stepped out. The thing is turning so hard right, we gotta go south again. But it is just a constant rumble, that supercell intercloud rumble in the forward flank.
Storm chasing in central PA mid-October. How do you feel?
It's just a casual May setup.
It sounds like May, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stand on the road so I'm not in your way.
Oh yeah, this thing's got big time hail on it. Whoa.
Wow. That was really far from the core, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This lighting's making me kind of nervous. It looks
I think it's reorganizing with that merger.
Yep.
It kind of looks like the base is trying to go up right there. You see it?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, I'm looking there. That thing. And that was pretty close.
Yeah,
Yeah, get that.
I got it. Put on mesoscale discussion for just this.
There you go.
We are on the only supercell.
Okay, I think I'm going in the car now. That was close. I'm going in the car.
Go ahead. Oh, look at the green. We got some greenage. What, you want me to go that way, I think? That would make sense.
What do you think's best? I can see the.
Whoa, did you get that one?
Yep.
This one.
Sorry.
Here, put. No, let go.
Really close.
Sorry.
That's okay, this is not a unit, bro.
You just want a shot.
I wanted a shot here, yeah.
So that's the shelf cloud.
Yeah, that's our base. Our
Yeah.
updraft is somewhere in there.
I had the other side of
Where
it.
was that? Oh, that was clear air.
I think it's in the middle.
Oh, there's a bolt to our left.
Yes.
Record both sides. Wait, what if we record both sides and we can just like put our videos together?
Yeah, I'm gonna record forward or to the left.
I'm gonna record forward or to the right, so we got dual coverage.
Okay, I don't make a turn for another 2.7 miles. Dude, it's like non-stop.
Yeah, I can't believe this. Oh wow.
Here, put down your window the whole way.
Yep. Got that.
It's the same road. Where's this storm? Hello? Oh, I think it's behind us now. Yeah. Oh, it's over there.
Ooh, good, maybe a good view here. Yeah. I mean, we can work with that.
Just a second, I guess. Wow.
Yeah.
It's cycling. It's cycling. It's getting a hook on it again. These are all clear bolts, yeah.
Okay.
All right, we need to keep going. We're gonna have a good view of it soon.
Alright.
I'm getting us down to Philipsburg.
Got it. Wow.
This view is ridiculous.
I wanted to stay here for like 30 seconds or a minute.
We could stay here and watch it.
Yeah.
No reason not to.
Well, there's a parking lot across from there.
Yeah, honestly.
I think we should let it come to us and then drive away if there's danger.
Literally, there is a hook. Dude, look at this. It is right here. I'm going straight. I'm going straight. I'm going straight.
Okay.
Straight, we are going. Hell. We're going to the auto zone.
It's the amount of clear bolts, I just don't feel comfortable being outside. Wind is picked up. He's running back.
For lack of a better term, we're about to get ass blasted.
Yes.
We're about to get hit by probably 60 mile per hour RFD.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
We're right by the hook.
Yep. Windows up.
Careful.
Don't worry, I'm being careful, Andre.
This links up at 322, by the way. I can see it. I like bowl-shaped cloud. I think it's RFD.
Wait, the wind's coming from our right now. That's inflow. Why is the wind coming from our right?
And we're literally underneath the circulation.
We are underneath the circulation, yes.
We're right on the edge of the...
State park, so there are no roads there. So we have to dive southeast to get to 99, hook up in Port Matilda to get to Julian. It's way back that way. Because we have to go around so much, I think we'll only just stay ahead of, well, I think we'll stay ahead of it just enough.
We can breathe for a minute.
Yeah, I started breathing 2 minutes ago. I had stopped breathing for like 10 minutes.
We need to breathe. How does it feel?
Not like I was scared, I was just concentrating.
All right, we're setting up for round 2. Time lapse. We are set up with a southwest northeast road option because friggin' mountains in central PA, so not exactly favorable. The storm has weakened, no more severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah, this one has only got a little bit of lightning. I mean, I guess we could stay with this one for a little bit longer, but a little bit longer as in I think we just let it hit us here.
Look at the birds, dude. Look at the birds.
Oh, wow.
That's cool.
All right, this is what's left of our little supercell. Might have a little bit of wind in it. Definitely no more hail in it.
Might have some traffic in it.
Yeah, really.
We got about 2 hours repositioning, so we're just gonna chill out, catch our breaths for the next storm. This wasn't supposed to be part of the chase.
That's so cool.
First view of the new storm. I think it is a tornado warning still. Is that correct?
It definitely still has a tornado warning.
Still has a tornado warning.
It might be that thing to the right. No longer has one. It doesn't actually have any warning on it. I think they might be a little bit behind on warnings. I'd put a severe on it still. It definitely still has a mezzo. Looks like it's struggling a little bit. It's fairly discrete. There's only one other supercell that's gone up, and it's in northeastern Ohio. But it doesn't even have any lightning on it, and it's struggling. So I think it's still kind of low tops.
Yep. We are on a roller coaster.
Dude, this road, I love this road. Watch this. We're gonna get up here. It's just rolling hills. Look at this.
This is a roller coaster.
And we are in the middle of nowhere.
Yes. Chasing a national forest. Add that to the new things I've done today.
You can tell that's a supercell.
That's a supercell. Okay, so we're 2 for 2 on supercell intercepts today.
Yeah, add 2 more supercells to my arsenal. Beautiful. Look at the bounded weak echo region right there. That's the updraft.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
I know. The storm might be winning a beauty contest, but not for its strength.
I mean, for PA, yeah. This thing is like 15 dBz right now.
Guys, north central PA wedge. No 2 ways about it.
I don't understand.
That's why I'm fascinated. That's why I don't want to leave, because I don't understand.
Look at it spinning. Look how hard it's spinning.
Going north for the 3rd and possibly final supercell of the day. Right now in New York. This one's kind of hugging the lake, but we're hoping it makes a right turn so we don't have to go as far north. We also have about an hour left of daylight, so that's probably going to be a factor of how late we go. There's a bit more development over northeast Ohio, but wow.
Oh, look, it's clear over there. That's why they're going up over there.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Okay, that's good.
I think they're in a better environment then.
Well, this is a 5% tornado. Is up here.
Look how much shear there is. Look how sideways that cumulative this is. It says we're only 18 minutes away from Sinclair. Look where Sinclair is.
Well, things just got interesting. Here's a storm, huge spike of lightning.
We got to go about 15 minutes north of that, so we should make it just in time.
We can see the anvil now from our storm. It's a classic supercell and clear.
Oh yeah, we're in New York now. I have to do hashtag New York weather.
Hashtag New York. NYWX. like this. I don't know where we are.
I think we're in another dimension.
Tornado warning!
Oh my gosh!
Yes!
Look at this! There's the wall collapse!
Low.
Okay, that's where we are. Give velocity, by the way, so they can see. Yeah. Yeah. That's literally like the plane. We got a TVS.
TVS.
And look for position. We are inside the polygon. We are inside the polygon. Norman, we did it. We are inside the tornado warning polygon. Look at the amount of rising on the right side of the wall cloud.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Is that just like pure updraft?
We're currently under a tornado warning. This is a classic low precipitation supercell right here, something you'd see out in the plains. We're up here somewhere in New York between Erie and Buffalo. There's a tornado on this thing. It's hidden behind that mountain right there, but it's coming in our direction, so hopefully we'll be able to see it soon.
It definitely looks like it's going.
You see it? You see it, right? It's not just me.
It's gonna miss us. Oh yeah, we're fine, Cup. Yeah, we're totally fine. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, in terms of what's going on.
There's our wall cloud just over the hill there. Can't quite tell if there's a lowering yet because the ridge is in the way. But it is moving this way. Generally looks like it'll pass between 2 and 5 miles to our north, and we have a north-south road option right here. It is literally absolutely perfect placement. I can't believe we're here.
Hey, yep.
They have the great anvil shapes. There's no lightning on this.
Holy frick.
It is just on the ground.
Maybe it is.
You can't even tell. Look how much lift there is on that right side. You're right, look at that.
It's literally going vertical.
It's just vertical on the right side. I wonder if there's a tornado down there and we can't see it.
You think?
Look at the motion on the right side.
Is that a tornado we can't see?
No idea.
Look at that scud on the right side. What's that doing?
Just has a crazy updraft.
There's something going on. I don't know what.
Yeah, I wish we could see behind the hill.
But isn't it gonna like?
Either way, this thing is.
But it's gonna
gorgeous.
come over the ridge. 'Cause it's coming towards us and also that way, right?
We should be able to see it soon.
Like probably like yeah, in that way. Dude, I can't believe this. I'm literally lost for words. Well, that's because it's coming towards us, kind of.
No, we need the tornado.
They're not fast-moving storms. I don't know why. Which is good for us.
Yeah, if it wants to produce a tornado, it's in the center there.
I still can't see
Dude, the rotation is still really strong.
Can I see?
Yeah, look.
Hasn't gotten any better or worse. That's for sure.
It got worse from like right at the beginning there.
Go.
Oh, that's the news team.
Oh, crap.
Look, that was a news truck.
Yeah. We got a storm chaser. This last frame. I don't know, it's signing up. Maybe. Hill. Oh, roller coaster. Why?
It'd be really nice if the trees cleared at the top of it.
It would be.
Here.
There's a storm chaser in front of us. Oh my gosh.
I'm getting out for this for a second. I mean, I think we can go up to the top of the hill. It's not that far, dude.
Oh yeah, we can. It's just I don't know if it's gonna be
Better terrain?
yeah, better view.
You want to keep going?
We can wait here for a few minutes.
I'm gonna go back to this side. Oh wow. Yeah, I feel like.
Look at the Scud over there.
What do you think of that?
It's just rising really quick. Wow.
It's still trying, even if it's less organized.
It is trying. Oh look, that's consolidating right there. Is that going to be a new wall cloud?
This.
The sound of the windows.
I know.
I mean, if it produced a tornado, it would be right in this, right there.
Well, if it produces a tornado, we'll see it right now. What's
Man, it's really trying.
what would you look for? Like scud extending downwards to the surface?
Yeah. Oh, it's trying. Come on, do it. On the right side there, that's where it'd be coming from. That's where the fastest upward motion is, I'm seeing. I think that's our circulation.
Wait, we got wind here. This must be like inflow or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna have to go in just a few minutes because it's gonna get ahead of us.
Yep. I like what we're doing being south, and we don't have to worry about like having rain hit us.
Yeah.
I really like this position we have right now. Plus, I don't even have to worry about like lightning or anything.
Yeah, this thing barely has like. Oh! Is that the top of a tree? Or is it forming? Look at that, look at that.
No, it's forming something. Wait, we gotta stay here then if it's trying
You can't
to.
tell if it's on the ground or not.
Like the very right side of it.
Yeah, dude, that thing is trying so hard.
I see.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go in like 30 seconds. Actually, I'd say just go now.
Look how close it is to the ground. I almost don't want to.
Wait, is that on the ground?
I almost don't want to leave because look at it.
Yeah, well, we're gonna get a better view if we leave.
I know. Okay, do you want to leave?
Yeah, we gotta go.
Okay.
Is that a funnel? That is. Look.
Yep.
That's a funnel.
That's a funnel. That's not a funnel.
No, it's not. What is that?
I don't know.
Jeez, I thought that was. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, we need to go.
No, we gotta go somewhere.
Yeah.
Look, it's still formed. Look at that bowl shape. Look at that.
I really don't know where to go.
Oh, I got that. We got the moon out on this anything but normal October night. We're trying to catch up to the supercell, weakening supercell maybe for one more intercept maybe. I wish there was lightning on this. We can't see a lot, but it still looks pretty good on radar. Just not as good as it was.